Hey everybody, this is your Fortnite mobile drama guy here. Today we have some stories to cover. But first we want to say thank you for the support and non-support, cough cough flash blocking us we've been getting. But other than that, we've just been having fun, man. Like this is fun, honestly. Like I love being interactive with the Fortnite mobile community, and it brings me joy, Anyways, enough of that. Let's get straight into today's news, alright? Now, first off, I want to start with Grant the Goats. Now, it was his birthday recently. Not gonna lie, I forgot the date, but it was his birthday. He was chilling in San Francisco with his buddies Ducky the Gamer and Santa. Yeah, was it rolling there? Shit, I don't fucking know. But he was with his buddies in San Francisco at the Samsung live event, which we will also be talking about later on. But happy birthday, Grant! You turned 17. I swear you were 13 just a year ago. I remember watching you first time. You were Mr. Squeaker, but you're mature. You're 17 now. It's just happy birthday, man. Now, next in the news, did I bite off Golden? Perhaps. Doesn't really matter. Now, next in the news, we have Celeste or Celeste. Really don't care how to pronounce it, but they have recruited 2 new members, Monster and Owen. Congratulations, guys. Now, remember when I told you about Ducky and Santa and Grant the Go going to San Francisco to go to the Samsung events? Well, we're going to talk about that now. We're going to talk about Samsung unveiling their newest, not iPhone, their newest Samsung phone. Now, this Samsung phone was unveiled with the name of 5G Galaxy S20 series, right? To be honest, no one really cares, but what everybody's starting to care about is, a few syllables I'm gonna spell out, right? 120 FPS. Yes, this phone can run at 120 hertz, and you know what that means? 120 FPS. So what this could mean is that Samsung could have the first phone to run Fortnite mobile on 120 FPS, and this would be pretty big for competitive iPhone player. Well, not iPhone, because competitive phone players. So, if you are good at phone and you can't wait for the newest iPhone to run 120 FPS, get the new Samsung. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Santa said that 120 FPS on it when he was playing with the phone at the event. So it should be interesting. Should be interesting. Now, for our breaking news segment, we have a piece on Zensored once again. This man is always on the news. This time, not for being cute as fuck, but for being sus? Question mark? Now, I was on his live stream, and I asked, what does he want, or who does he want on Valentine's Day? Now, this is what he replied with.
My shoulder. I want a dude with...
There you have it, folks. Obviously, as you can tell from this recording, Zen has said he wants a dude for Valentine's Day. Now, if you are male and think Zen is attractive as much as I do, then hit him up. I'm already in his DM, so if he doesn't reply back, I'm sure you guys have a chance to. And yeah, that is it for today's drama. Now, hope you guys liked it. Check out the Twitter. Mention us in any tweets that you might want us to cover. At FNM Drama Guys, and we will take care of it. Don't you worry about it. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Thanks for enjoying or not enjoying. I really don't give a shit, but yeah, drama out.